Navratri is coming. Vegan and plant-based brands, are you ready with your Navratri festive campaign? If not, I'm so sure you will be tempted to after you watch this video. 40 to 45% of consumer spends in India happen around the festive time. Most of those spends happen around Diwali and Raksha Bandhan because it's a gifting season. And then comes Navratri, Dashera, Christmas, and all the other assorted festive days. If you have parked all your festive funds towards a Diwali campaign, think again because Diwali is very, very crowded brands, particularly in the FMCG, fashion, lifestyle, consumer durable, luxury goods categories. They spend at least 40 to 50% of their annual marketing budgets on festive campaigns. Ad inventory becomes very expensive. There is too much clutter in the market. You would need very high budgets or an outstanding creative to actually break through that clutter. The share of voice is low for that amount of ad spend. Less ROI, less memorability. 80% of the consumers don't even remember one campaign from the previous Diwali. No festival aligns with plant based values as well as Navratri does because it's all about sattvic lifestyle, pure food, and cruelty free, kind, some amount of abstinence, some amount of indulgence, a mix of traditions and modernity. That is why, as a plant based brand, you must advertise and create campaigns for Navratri. Plant-Based Foods Industry Association, that is PBFIA, is doing a fantastic job on this front. Since the last 3 or 4 years, they have run a Navratri campaign called Navratri Se Shubharambh. It's all about letting the goodness begin from Navratri. For Navratri 2025, PBFIA, in collaboration with Big Basket, is offering up to 25% off on all the plant-based products listed on Big Basket across SKUs. Can you believe that? So this covers plant-based milks, ice creams, cheese, butter, plant-based meat alternatives, be it kebabs, nuggets, snacks, savories. This campaign is being run on Big Basket from the 22nd of September until 2nd of October. So download Big Basket right now and let's gear up to celebrate Navratri the plant-based way.